friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little laundry room motivation, and I'm going to be doing some fall decor or fall decorating in my laundry room. I decided that I need to spruce up this area a little bit. I hadn't done anything to my laundry room since hubby and I did the renovation. And if you would like to see how we renovated our laundry room, I will link that video for you up in the cards or down below in the description box. So I'm just taking a load out the washer and putting a load in the dryer, and then I will be doing some decorating later. If you like videos like this, give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all, subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. And I also want to let you guys know that I appreciate each and every one of you so very much. So without further ado, we're just going to jump into the video. Right here are some cleaning cloths that I have that are specially made to clean your washer and dryer. They are pretty good. The only bad thing I can say about them is that they are very moist. So a lot of times after I have finished wiping down my washer and dryer, I have to go back over it with a dry paper towel just to get all that excess moisture. But I usually take them and just wipe down really good my washer and dryer, because you'll be surprised at how much dust and dirt and detergent and other stuff that can accumulate on your washer and dryer. And like I said, they do work pretty good. You just have to kind of go back over it with a dry paper towel. And as you see, it was a lot of dirt on my washer and dryer. And I also take these cloths and wipe down my trash can. So right here, I'm just restocking some of my laundry supplies. Right there, I was just showing you my scent boosters, so I had to refill that. I also had to refill my bleach, And I think that was about it. I did need some more liquid detergent, but I didn't have any on hand, so I will be later purchasing that when I go do my grocery shopping. So right here I'm just refilling my bleach, and I keep those supplies under the cabinet here. now that we have finished cleaning the laundry room and putting away the laundry, we're gonna jump into the decorating part of the video, and I'm just giving you an overview of how the laundry room is looking right now, and also a glimpse at some of the items that I might be using to decorate my laundry room. I also will be decorating the other side right here. And I also want to share with you this rug that I got from Ross. I had 2 other rugs, but I replaced them with this rug and I really do like it. So without further ado, let's just jump into the decorating part of this video. Right here, I'm going to put together a little fall bouquet to insert inside of this beautiful basket that I got from the thrift store. So I'm just arranging different florals to make a bouquet, and I went back and forth with different styles of bouquet. I didn't know if I wanted to use the sunflowers again or I wanted to do something different. So right here you see me do this floral arrangement, and you have to wait to the end, guys, to see what I end up going with. So right here I'm just putting it together, and I'll let you see how it looks in the basket after I finish. So this is the final look. I'm just, rearranging things a little bit to get the exact look I want. You guys tell me how you like this, or should I just go with the sunflowers? Okay guys, this is the final look for my decor in my laundry room, and as always, I love how everything came out. I did change up a couple of things, but on top here on this little bench I have my little owl with some pumpkins next to him, and then I took that plant that was on the second shelf and put it on the top shelf, And in the corner here, I have the picture that I got from Target with some fall florals and some pumpkins right there also. And in the beginning of the video, I had another floral arrangement. So you tell me which one you like the best. And here is my autumn sign. And then I had placed another little sign from Dollar Tree and my favorite pumpkin candles. And I placed another little floral arrangement right there. And on this side of the wall, yes, I did change the floral arrangement. You guys let me know which one you like better. Should I just have stayed with the yellow arrangement, or should I have went with the other floral arrangement, or do you like this burgundy shade the best? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, but most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. And as always, please stay blessed. Bye guys, and I will see you in the next video.